the portable refrigerator, the Chefman, is a good refrigerator. It can be used for going on trips with, or either having in your house. It's a very good product. I recommend anybody to buy it. Thank you.
Okay, so I got this little makeup fridge from Amazon. I need to put this out so like open it. I have 2 hands, but yeah. It's basically a makeup fridge for your skincare products. So you're supposed to keep your skincare products cold. So I just got my cleanser back there, my toner right here, facial oil. This like makes your skin shiny, pretty, and then my 2 fucking serums, my moisturizer, and then my dark spot cream, and then my jade roller and acne breakout stuff. But yes, and there's this thing you can like put in there, because this isn't just for makeup, by the way. This is just like a suit, you know what I mean. But yeah, I got this. It is so cute. It's touchscreen. And yeah, it's cool. And I also have this. It's also just an LED mirror because I'm extra as hell. But yeah, that's what I got from Amazon today. Lights off. It's really cool. It is so cool.
Dun, da, da, da. Highly recommended. This just arrived and I absolutely love it. It's a mini fridge, which I am using for my face products. I just plugged it in, but it is definitely getting cool. I can feel it. So just be careful that you don't completely block any of the air vents on the sides. I have it plugged into here. A lot of these products used to be in this cabinet right over here. And that's about it. I will post an update maybe in a week or so after I'm using it, but I really, really recommend this and love it. Bye.
Here is like a mini fridge, or it can be a mini warmer. And you can have, with the mirror here, a lighted mirror, which looks really great. Or you can turn the light off. It goes nice on dressers. That's where my daughters normally keep this. You can have in here anything from storing makeup, those sorts of devices and things. You can also remove the shelf as well, and easy to put back in there. With the shelf removed, as you can see, I have a standard can here of 12 fluid ounces. Laying them this way, you can fit in there 6 of them, so that gives you the size dimension. Stacking them up, has a little door on this side as well. Come around here, showing you the couple switches here. Very simple. There's no temperatures to set. If you want it chilled, you just turn it on to the cold position right there. That's all the louder it is. Perfect for in a bedroom or somewhere where you might be sleeping, traveling. The heat works just in the opposite direction, and the red light comes on. Same loudness, which is really just super, super quiet. Coming over here, you have not only your AC plug where he plugs into, but if you are taking this in a car, going out for the night or something, want to keep things chilled, you can charge it this way with this adapter into a cigarette lighter into a car, or most cars have AC plugs and that works as well, but they include both cables for you. The hinges and everything work good. There is a seal, as you can see, on the door and on the inside as well. So we haven't had a problem with that flying open. But to open it, you just do pull on that. So as you can see, it really grips well there too. So yeah, this is the device. And I wanted to show it to you, to lift it up, carry it, and just go like that. So here it is. I think the light is like ultra cool. So there it is. You're a hot, or I would say more like a warm or cool devices, beverages, and makeup things, whatever you might want to do.
This is his first conversation since the traffic loss of his job. He's hoping that